I don't know if we're getting that motor back on and off. It looks like it's actually rust welded to it.
Yeah. That should still spin fine.
He said that'll spin fine.
There we go.
There you go, it's all fixed.
We are heading to the supply house. We already have the Azure fan motor, but we need a blade. Apparently, these are discontinued from Trane. Trane didn't have an ETA on them, so we're just gonna get a universal blade. Come back, swap it in, get her signed up on a maintenance plan for it, and we'll probably be back out in the fall to replace both of her units. She's thinking she's gonna replace them then, so at least we'll get her by. So we got a new fan blade. You can see the old one really tore apart. New Azure fan motor. And then we'll probably end up using this when she replaces this unit, hopefully next year. We just need to get her by this season, so we'll end up just reusing this motor. We'll pop on our new one. She'll be good to go.
Do you have long bikes, maybe?
I do in my bag. I've got those long ones.
Short ones, but I might need some long ones. Okay, got the correct Allen. We're all set.
I should put one of these washers on incorrectly and it will just blow up.
Can they go on incorrectly? Don't they bite either way?
I think they do, but I know some people are like, oh, you gotta put it this way, blah, blah, blah.
That's funny, you did put these two on different, I think. Oh, no, you didn't. Never mind.
I might have too. I just grabbed them.
Yeah, to be honest, I think they bite either way. You know what we should have brought up here?
Huh.
Leak tight, the lock nut, lock tight or whatever. Even though that's what these washers do. So, commercial is like a different beast. Last thing I want it to do is come apart. Look, it's scraped up against there.
I know.
Shit, I didn't check.
It's the fins are fucked on this side. Pretty bad.
Oh, Billy!
Yeah.
Can we see if it had pressure?
All right, finger tight. How we like it.
Good.
Very nice.
2 Ogadugas.
Oh yeah. All right, wanna
Feed that. I can't see the hole.
Oh yeah, you're right there. Feel for it. Can I get around the area? You
Yeah,
hit it
exactly.
eventually.
You get used to it.
Yeah.
Wrong hole. Okay. It's in here. I want this butted all the way up against that.
Yeah, there's kind of a zip tie in the way, but
Yeah, I'll definitely put a zip tie in there. Alright, let's get that zip tie in
There we
there
go.
before we button it down.
well, thankfully they're replacing this probably by winter time or next year, because you can see we got some play. Thankfully, we're not gonna hit the casing. Maybe right there, but that's the only spot up there we might hit. I think we'll just get them by just enough. Well, we're gonna find out if this is gonna touch or not. Yeah, you can see it's like cracked up here in these spots, and it's twisting. And they did it on the other one too. You can see where they braced it right here, because it's doing the same thing. So they just did a, you know, which we might have to. We're gonna find out. Well, I forgot to record the actual startup, but she's butter. She ain't hitting. Smoothest startup as can be. Yeah, I know. Here, let's make it hit. Ah. I think as long as we don't get an earthquake here in Kansas, we should be good. We're gonna let this thing run for a while, because we had a pop fuse originally. Found out the fan motor and the blade was just fucked. So now we're gonna let it run, see what happens, and maybe we could get her through the last couple months, and then we're gonna replace this thing. Ooh,
24.
Damn.
Wait, I think these are 30.
Yeah, because that one was 20s, I remember, right?
Yeah, let me unmark
we're gonna let it run for a little bit, see if we catch anything else. But everything owned fine, everything looked fine, no burnt wires, so we're hoping it was just that fan motor and the blade being messed up is what eventually caused that fuse to pop. So we'll keep an eye on it, but I think we got her cooling today. We're all done.